Welcome to IGCSE Computer Science Data Transmission Tutorial Series. When data is sent from one device to another over long distances, it is usually broken up into packets. These packets are usually 64 kilobytes in size, making them convenient to be sent along a different route to its destination. Let's acquaint ourselves with the structure of a data packet. Each packet of data contains three different sections: the packet header, payload, and trailer. For each packet, the header consists of the IP address of the sending device, the IP address of the receiving device, the packet number which is used to ensure that all the packets can be reassembled into the correct order once they reach the destination, and the packet size which is used to ensure the receiving station can check if all of the packets have arrived intact. The header often also contains another value indicating how many packets there are in total for this transmission. The payload consists of the actual data being sent in the packets. The data is broken up into many small units to be sent as the payload in each packet. The data is usually about 64 kilobytes in size. The trailer contains two main pieces of information: the marker and the error detection data. The marker indicates the end of the packet. This helps the receiving device identify where one packet ends and another begins. It plays a crucial role in ensuring the integrity, completeness, and proper handling of the transmitted data. By marking the end of the packet, the marker prevents unnecessary data processing and ensures the receiving device can efficiently handle incoming data. The error detection data specifies the method used to detect errors in transmitted data. Congratulations for completing the data packet lesson of data transmission for IGCSE Computer Science. In our next lesson, we dive into packet switching and the role of the router in the process. Please kindly subscribe and click the notification bell to stay on track for more educational videos.